In this video, I'm going to show you how to perform a calibration adjustment on the ADROIT 6200 pressure sensor using the DPI610E handheld pressure calibrator. The ADROIT series is a range of high-performance, digitally compensated industrial pressure sensors designed and manufactured by Druck. The DPI610E pressure calibrator has integrated one-wire interface technology that enables calibration of the ADROIT pressure sensors. To calibrate an ADROIT sensor, first set up the channel. From the calibration screen, select Channel 2 Setup soft key and then Function. Select Measure, 24 volts, and then press the tick soft key to return to the setup screen. The sensor configuration option appears at the bottom of the list. Select this option and change to ADROIT. Once selected, the ADROIT setup soft key will appear. Select this and enter the details of the sensor. Now enter the minimum and maximum input range of the sensor and the minimum and maximum output range of the sensor. Edit the input units, series resistance, and diode voltage if necessary. Select the tick soft key to save and exit. If it is a current output sensor, connect the negative to the top terminal and positive to the third terminal. Check on the calibrator screen to make sure the electrical reading is valid before proceeding. The ADROIT sensor can be calibrated using two options, a zero adjustment or a full adjustment. A zero adjustment is done to correct an offset drift at zero or low range value of the sensor, while a full adjustment takes into account the full output range of the sensor. To perform a calibration adjustment of the ADROIT sensor using the DPI610E, navigate to the calibration menu. Select Perform Calibration and then Zero Adjustment. The ADROIT sensor configuration screen will be shown. Make sure the details are correct and press Tick to begin the calibration routine. On the calibration screen, the top channel window displays the pressure supplied to the ADROIT sensor as measured by the DPI610E. The DPI610E provides the pressure source and measurement reading for both pressure input into the ADROIT and electrical output from the ADROIT. The middle channel window displays the electrical output measured from the ADROIT. The bottom window displays information that guides the user through the calibration wizard. Apply nominal zero or low pressure, and when stable, press the next soft key. This is a one-point calibration. Select the tick soft key to proceed. The calibration values are displayed along with the calculated zero offset. Select OK to perform the zero adjustment. After the adjustment is complete, press the back soft key to exit. To perform a full adjustment, select Full Adjustment from the ADROIT calibration menu. Again, ensure the details are correct and press the tick soft key to begin the calibration routine. For calibration point 1, we apply nominal zero or low pressure value using the volume adjuster if required. When the pressure is stable, press the next soft key to continue. At calibration point 2, apply nominal full scale pressure, and when stable, press the next soft key to continue. At the next step, for current output sensors, the user will be prompted to vent the system by opening the release valve fully. Select OK after venting. The calibration values are displayed along with the calculated zero offset and span adjustment values. Select OK to complete the adjustment. After the adjustment is complete, press the back soft key to exit. Thank you for watching. To find out more, please visit our website.